Hey friends, Colleen here. Today I will be doing a Project Life layout using the Turn the Page kit from Layered Life. This is a very cool kit with crazy colors and fun vibes, and so I will just be using it to do a cover page for 2023. I already created the January layout in my Project Life album, so I'm working with the back of all the journaling cards that I used for January. So for this first card, I'm using the background. This is a Studio Calico card, and then I'm adding some Layered Life ephemera on top. Most of this video will be me pulling pieces, sticking and plonking. So for the most part, I will have some music playing. You can relax, watch along, and I might come back and have a little bit of insight for you later on. I needed to fill in some more pockets, so I'm going into my stash of journaling cards. These are all Studio Calico cards, and I'm just flipping through to see which ones work. I was planning to use that 2023 Hopes card, but it was too much of the same color, too much of that like tan peach color, and I really wanted to add some bolder, brighter colors, especially since the Layered Life kit has so many fun colors in it. Again, I wanted to add some more color to my layout, so I picked out some pattern paper. This is from Holtz. I wanted to use yellow to match the card up in the top right corner, but when I used it as the full background, it was just too much, too bold. So I decided to actually just put a section of yellow on the existing journaling card. So just putting a touch of yellow to add to the background, and that balances out the layout. And I'll do the same with another pattern paper for the top 4x6 journaling card. going in with some chipboard from Studio Calico. This square says the days of the week. I'll put in these colored pencils, and then I'll add another little piece that I believe says "So Very Thankful." I just think the colors work perfectly with this layout. I think it's a perfect finishing touch to put some smaller dimensional pieces on this layout. So that just about finishes up this cover page layout for my 2023 Project Life. All of the products I use will be linked in the description below. Unfortunately, Layered Life is closing, so I'm not sure if the kit is even still available. I will link to their Instagram as well. But yeah, so that is a bummer, but it was so much fun creating for them for a few months, and I hope that this has inspired you to create a cover page in your project life. If you want to see my other creations, whether that's full page layouts or some of the cards I make, head over to my Instagram, which I will link down in the description. You can also subscribe to my channel here, and I will have plenty of crafty content coming your way soon.